Do you want to go to fashion events like this? Maybe get spotted at New York Fashion Week, make it to Vogue, or increase your influence, but you currently don't have any influence, money, or connections? I'm Sam. I recently snuck my way into New York Fashion Week, and I'm planning on doing it again this winter. Here's how I did it. The best time to start planning for New York Fashion Week is about a month beforehand to 2 months. So what you'll do is go to newyorkfashionweek.com/press. You can just search press credentials for and then whatever show you're trying to go for. And there'll usually be a page like this, and it'll have a whole list of all the different designers and their press contacts. Make a professional sounding email and send that out to all of the different press contacts. This is an example of one that I did. I made this little graphic with Canva and added some links to my blog and Instagram just to add some professionalism. Give it a few weeks, you'll start to hear back, and you're gonna get a lot of no's. Put them into a separate folder and wait another couple weeks until you're about 2 to 3 weeks out for the event. Go ahead and then send them a follow-up email restating your interest and asking if there's been any cancellations or last-minute changes. That's the gist of how I did it. If you'd like to have more content about New York Fashion Week and getting into the fashion industry, please go ahead and follow me. If you're interested in how I wrote any of these emails or what I did once I got there to be able to actually go to even more shows, please be sure to comment and like this video.